Is there a relationship between the weather and library usage in Chicago, Illinois? Each library is divided by region within Chicago: North, North Shore, South, and South Shore. The data includes the visits and circulation, which is the media checked out of the library for each branch per month for 2021. It also includes the weather for 2021, which includes average high temperature, average low temperature, days with precipitation, hours of sunshine, and average precipitation in inches, divided by months for 2021. The purpose of this database is to see how weather affects the usage of the library in Chicago. This is a picture of the diagram which shows each of the branches and what part of the city they're in and how it's related to the weather. Now, I know there has been some talk about changing this database to a non-relational relational database as opposed to a relational database, which is what we have now. And here are some pros. First of all, flexibility. It can be used with all types of data, such as structured, semi-structured, and non-structured data. It's highly functional. They are designed to be used for large data sets. Scalability. They can become larger and more powerful as traffic increases. High performance. It works faster than a relational database as it doesn't have to search through each table. Ease of use and fast queries. And it requires less ongoing database maintenance. Now, the cons for a relational database. First of all, queries are less flexible as there are few standard queries. Relatively new, so there's not a lot of support, which makes it harder to find solutions to problems. It's more expensive and has fewer features. Lack of standardization, as there are many relational databases around with no standard language. Inefficient with complex queries, and also it has a problem with data retrieval consistencies. My recommendations: while we have a relational database right now, I think we should stay with that because it would be a better choice, because there is only a limited number of people who will be accessing the data, so we will not have a traffic problem. While our data will grow each year as we look at the years ahead, it won't be growing so much as to be unmanageable. Since we are new with creating a database, it will be easier for us to receive help when we are having issues with our database. Our data is very structured and fits well into tables, and we'll be able to have queries that will give us the correct information we require. And last but not least is, since we are looking if there's a relationship between weather and library usage, it is a relational database which would make a better fit for us. And these are my references. Thank you very much for watching.